Welcome to Jason on English. Let's look at past tenses, simple and progressive. Simple past tense. Simple past tense is used for actions that took place in the past. The past form of the verb usually ends in ed. There are some irregular verbs that don't use ed, so be careful. I cleaned my room yesterday. This uses ed. We walked in the park for 2 hours. This also uses ed. I ate dinner at 7 p.m. This verb is irregular and it doesn't use ed. Try to learn the irregular verbs. It will help you a lot when you're speaking English. You can use simple past tense anytime. Past progressive tense. The past progressive tense is used for actions that took place in the past. You can make it by using was or were, plus the ing form of the verb. I was cleaning my room yesterday. We were walking in the park for 2 hours. I was eating dinner at 7 p.m. When should you use simple past and when should you use past progressive? Is there a difference? Let's look again at simple past tense. Simple past tense can be used for any past action, but it can also be used to show that an action is complete. I cleaned my room yesterday. That action is complete. I don't have to clean anymore. We walked in the park for 2 hours. Now we are at home. The walk is complete. I ate dinner at 7 p.m. It is finished. These actions are complete. Simple past tense is a good choice here. Past progressive tense. This tense can show that you feel that an action took a long time. It can also show that an action is not complete. I was cleaning my room yesterday. Maybe you feel it took a long time. Or maybe you feel that you're not finished cleaning and this is not complete. We were walking in the park for 2 hours. Maybe for you, 2 hours is a long time. I was eating dinner at 7 p.m. Maybe you took a long time to eat dinner. These actions are not complete, or you feel that these actions took a long time. It's your choice if you want to use past progressive. Here are some more examples of the past progressive tense. It is your choice whether to use this tense or not. Show how you feel. I was waiting for 30 minutes. You feel that this took a long time. I was writing my report for 4 hours. Maybe you have not finished writing the report yet. I was talking to the customer for over an hour. You feel that this took a long time. I was cleaning out my closet all afternoon. It took a long time. Did you finish? It's not clear from this sentence if you finished cleaning out the closet or not. Past progressive tense doesn't mean complete. You can also use them together. If one action was interrupted or stopped by another action, the first action did not finish. You can show this by using past progressive for the first action and simple past for the second action. Past progressive, when, simple past. I was reading a book when the phone rang suddenly. First, I was reading a book. Then, the phone rang suddenly. I didn't finish reading the book. My action was stopped. My action was interrupted. I was reading a book, not complete. We were walking in the park. when a big dog came up to us. Well, first, we were walking in the park. Then, a big dog came up to us. At that point, we stopped walking, we played with the dog, and after that, maybe we continued walking. But in this sentence, walking was not finished. I was eating dinner when someone came to my door. Well, first I was eating dinner, then the doorbell rang or somebody knocked on my door. I stopped eating dinner. That action was not complete. In this case, we're using both tenses together to show interrupted actions. When you're speaking, simple past is the easiest choice. You can use it anytime. Past progressive does have some special feelings to it. The action was not complete. The action took a long time. You can show how you feel by using past progressive tense. Using both together is a good way to show an action was interrupted. If you like, please watch the video again and practice making simple past sentences and past progressive sentences and try using them together to show interrupted actions. Thank you for watching.